Alright, YouTube, want to do a quick video. This is a recipe I got off the internet a while ago. I did it, this is probably my second or third time. I think my third time doing it. But it's only 5 ingredients with the help of the good old crock pot there. But all you need is, you can use chicken breasts or chicken thighs. I like chicken thighs better typically. The breast, they got more meat, but they tend to be a little on the drier side. So we normally do chicken thighs. Got the boneless, skinless, got those from Walmart. Then, you can season to your own liking. But the recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm just using that to equally distribute on each side of your chicken, and then some black pepper. The recipe actually calls for kosher salt, but I like regular salt better. And then you want to do 2 cups of barbecue sauce. This is a popular brand here in the South, but you can use whatever you like. This one's mustard based. And they do have some that's more vinegar based, more barbecue sauce, the more like the burgundy color, reddish burgundy color, ketchup based. That's what I meant to say. This one's more vinegar based, and they got the ketchup based one. I normally use this one. But yeah, so you just season the chicken, and then you put it in a crock pot. If you're cooking it on low, you cook it for 3 hours. Low is 5 hours, and high is 3 hours. And then once your meat is cooked real good, the recipe actually says to take it out and let the chicken sit there and do all this extra stuff. For me, as long as there's not if there's a good deal of water or chicken juice or broth at the end, once the chicken's cooked, I'll drain that off. Most of it anyway. And then put some barbecue sauce on it, and then I'll let it cook for, simmer in a crock pot for like another hour or so, hour or two. And you're good, man. I love the crock pot. It's simple, it's quick. And then for this, my boys just have some vegetables. They like okra, but only if it's fried okra or breaded okra. And so I got some of that too from Walmart last night. So I'll probably just put that in the oven and bake it, kind of like how you would do fries in the oven. And yeah, or if you just want to have just a chicken and have a low carb option. I love rice, so I make it a little bit of rice. We'll see. But yeah, really wanted to show you guys the chicken. 5 ingredients. It don't actually 4 ingredients. Now I'm looking at 4 ingredients, and it don't get much simpler than that. Oh, I know what the 5th ingredient is. So in the initial recipe, you said you can use scallions. My boys, they don't like scallions. Me and the wife like them, but the kids don't. So typically the kids win, so no scallions. But if you want to add that to it, that's also an option. But hope you guys are doing good. Want to share this recipe of what's going on tonight for dinner. So I put it on now and cooking on low, and it'll be around 6-7 o'clock. It'll be ready for dinner. All right, you guys, be safe.